Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from NY Detective. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a boarding issue inside the airport quickly shifts once officers are called over to deal with a passenger accused of being too intoxicated to fly. Pay attention to how fast the conversation changes once emotions take over, and officers realize this situation isn't staying calm for long. The breakdown starts now.
So
nobody here.
This is not cool. So listen, I understand that you're very upset and emotions are kind of high up right here.
Fine, well, Jared's going to be out with me. It's going to be a trouble with customer, disorderly individual.
Okay, but what does that have to do with this situation?
How about I'm mad? I'm not intoxicated. I'm not intoxicated at all.
Okay, well, guess what?
We have no control over who they let fly and who they don't let fly. We can't do anything about that.
Bullshit. How about you guys go give this guy a stern warning so I can get on the plane?
Listen to the way he's responding here. Deputies are starting to pick up on the possibility that something's off before this conversation goes any further.
We have no control over a private airline.
I'm not drunk. I'm angry.
Okay, you might be angry, you might be drunk. Like I said, I really haven't made that determination.
Do I seem drunk?
It seems like you probably had something to drink and you admitted that you at least
had one shot.
Okay,
one shot.
That's fine.
You can't get drunk on one shot.
And so they made that determination, a private entity, a private company, Southwest Airlines, I'm imagining that you were flying with today?
Yeah.
Okay, so they made that
determination. You can't put a good word in for me.
Now pay attention to this shift right here. Officers are trying to keep control of the situation, but the moment he starts walking away, you can feel this encounter starting to move in a completely different direction.
No matter what we say. Drunk, they already said
we've done this long enough. They don't care.
So Bob,
waste of time.
So what we're going to do now, hey, listen, Bob, come here.
Now,
oh, God.
Here we go.
This is what's going to happen now, okay? So now what
I'm going to get my shit and go.
Okay, well, your shit's already all down there. So what we're going to do...
I have no idea where my shit is.
Right, I'm telling you it's down there.
Officers are trying to give him a clear path forward here and keep things calm, but watch the way he responds because this interaction still feels far from settled.
That's how you get it back, okay? So what we'll do is help you get your stuff so then you can then leave, okay? That's what we can help you with, okay?
As officers try guiding him toward his belongings, the focus suddenly shifts again, and you can already tell this situation is starting to get more difficult to manage.
So we're going
this way.
Bob,
I'm going to go get my girlfriend if you don't mind.
Perfect. We'll walk right with you, Bob. Have fun. You look pretty attractive. Just by walking. So we're going to
be angry,
okay? Your girlfriend, we're going to get her out of here, and you out of here, and then we're going to have a great...
You can see the officer quietly putting his gloves on here, and moments like that usually mean they're preparing for the possibility that this encounter could start escalating fast.
So much longer we're going to deal with this.
Hey, what's my flight tomorrow? Let's go. This shit.
Hey, listen.
We're not doing this, Bob. No.
This is what's going to happen. You're not going there over, Bob.
Bob?
Go, grab me. Go, grab me.
All right.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
I didn't do anything.
We're done.
Hey, you punch me now. Why he's punching me?
As officers begin trying to get him into cuffs, his girlfriend starts stepping into the middle of the situation. But at this point, deputies are fully focused on getting control before things become even more chaotic.
Over here. Please don't do that to him. Please.
Let me go.
516 hands on. 516 hands on.
Baby.
I didn't do anything.
This is your... Yep.
Dude. He's hitting me.
I got it.
The encounter ultimately ended with the man being taken into custody after the situation continued escalating inside the airport. Authorities later confirmed he was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and obstructing governmental administration. Moments like this show how quickly routine encounters can become difficult to manage once communication and cooperation begin breaking down. What started as a boarding issue quickly shifted into a much larger situation once tensions continued building between the passenger and responding officers. How do you think this situation was handled? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.